Hi guys, so tonight for homework you had to do this, and I'm just going to check it over with you real quick. And again, tonight is Tuesday, the 24th. Okay, so this one you're using mental math. We have to remember that this is actually 1,000, so divided by 1,000. And remember, when we multiply, we move the decimal to the right, so when we divide, we move it to the left. And so this one we're moving it 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left. And so that's our new decimal point. So 0, no whole numbers, and then this whole thing becomes a decimal. For this one, same thing. We're moving it, we're dividing, so we're moving it. Our number system is a base 10 number system, which means that every place value brings us up or down by a power of 10. So if I want to divide it by 100, divide by 10, divide by 100. Okay, no holes. And now I left a space here, so that space needs to become a 0. Don't worry about reading this since it goes beyond the thousands place, but just be careful about rewriting it. This one, an estimate. Okay, so I would say that this could easily be like 20, and 20 goes into 80. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, and cross out the zeros, so my estimate would be about 4. Alright, this next one. How many quarters are there in $30? Guys, you're saying, I thought this would maybe be the trickiest. Okay? And so, $30, and you're seeing how many quarters can go in. How many of these go into 30 whole? And so, if you think about it, 4 go into every dollar, and there's $30. So it's actually 30 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12 with a 0, so 120. If you're still a little confused about this, don't worry, and we can go over it more. Definitely feel free to ask in the morning in homeroom, but it's saying how many of these go into this. So we'll be doing more of this. How did you solve? I mean, you could say multiplication. I thought how many quarters go into $30. Okay, so we'll talk more about these kind of problems, but hopefully you were able to at least follow the video and try to work through that. And then placing the estimation, the decimal point. These are like the decimal dynamo we did. So in this one, it's kind of like 100 divided by 5 is about 20. So I would place my decimal point there to look like a number like 20. And this one, I would say this is almost like, I'm going to say 24 divided by 12 is about 2. So I'm thinking my decimal goes to there. Okay, because 1 and 55 hundredths is very close to 2. Alright, so definitely feel free to, here, I'll circle this, ask questions in the morning, and we will go over anything you need to go over then.